This is Crowdon in the Peak District. As you can see, I haven't brought a motorcycle today. I'm using the old-fashioned form of transport. Look at that, that's absolutely an enchanted place. Aye, so I'm thinking of trying that green laning shit and bringing motorbikes to places like this. That would be kind of cool. I'm sure I'll fall over often. It certainly beats this walking shit. I'm puffed already and I'm only up here. Another fork in the road. Which way? Right or left? I'm thinking left, not for any other greater meaning than I can't be arsed climbing uphill anymore.
Yeah.
All I'm thinking about is dinner. We've not come even that far.
No.
Don't know how you'd climb Everest without a takeout every 100 feet. I tripped. It was a hole in the floor. Look, this was a path, and now it's not a path. It lied to me. Shit, there's tons of wasps here. Ooh. The heather's really nice. It's come out beautiful this year, but I'm pretty much lost now. There's no way I'm climbing up there. Hey, wasps! Bastards! You want to call it there and head back before we get mauled by wasps?
Yeah.
Look at the view though is amazing. Dead good. Look at the colours. The colours, man. The colours. Oh.